Hello, and welcome to another insightful episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, your host, and the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's episode, we've got a special treat for you. We'll be exploring the intriguing world of maintenance and reliability, unraveling its complexities, and shining a light on the crucial role of collaboration between maintenance and operations teams. Our special guest, Gary Rigdon, is a seasoned professional with over 4 decades of experience in the oil and gas industry. Get ready to absorb a wealth of knowledge as we unpack Gary's journey from the Navy to consulting and his perspective on bridging the gap within organizations. Today, we're thrilled to share insights from Gary Rigdon, who started his career as an aviation electrician in the U.S. Navy and has since worked in various technical and management roles, now serving as a maintenance and reliability subject matter expert. Gary highlights the crucial differences and common misunderstandings between maintenance and operations departments. He emphasizes that, while both departments work hard, the lack of collaboration often leads to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Gary points out that in many organizations, maintenance is seen as a necessary evil, only there to fix things when they break. This perspective undervalues the critical role of maintenance in improving equipment reliability and overall operational success. Gary shares his journey from working on drilling rigs to supervising operators and eventually consulting, stressing the importance of working together for equipment reliability. He advocates for a shared philosophy on how to operate and maintain equipment, which involves setting the right expectations and agreeing on maintenance levels that align with operational strategies. For those looking to bridge the gap between these two critical departments, Gary suggests establishing clear roles and responsibilities. Operations should own and be responsible for the equipment, understanding their part in its upkeep, while maintenance should focus on maintaining the equipment to agreed standards. We also explore some of Gary's favorite resources for learning and inspiration in the field of maintenance and reliability. He recommends Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices by Ramesh Gulati, the Reliability Excellence Workbook by Dr. John Ross, and the intriguingly titled Cover Your Assets by an unnamed author, which focuses on asset management at your own pace. Gary's passion for the industry is evident as he continues to contribute to the field through consulting and sharing his extensive knowledge. For those interested in connecting with Gary and learning more about his journey and insights, he is active on LinkedIn and can be reached via email at boatguyforever@gmail.com. As we wrap up this insightful episode, we want to thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of maintenance and reliability. We've explored the crucial role of collaboration between maintenance and operations teams, shared expert insights from Gary Rigdon, and highlighted the importance of clear roles and responsibilities. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more discussions with industry leaders. For more resources and to learn more about how Upkeep can help your team, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating and improving, because the world of maintenance and reliability never stops evolving.